Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening YouTube and playing the video with the background sound you want to mute. Make sure you signed in only if you want settings saved to your account. This is optional. While the video plays, look at the player controls along the bottom and the three-dot menu or gear icon on desktop. Once found, pause briefly to orient. You will use these controls to access audio and background playback options directly. Next, change the actual audio behavior inside the player. Tap the speaker icon to mute or drag the volume slider down to 0 for precise control. On mobile, tap the three-dot menu and choose Playback Settings, then disable background audio or background play. On desktop, click the gear icon, check audio settings, and turn off any background play or autoplay options that keep sound when switching tabs. These steps remove background sound while letting you keep the video visible if needed. Finally, confirm the change by leaving the app or switching tabs. The sound should stop. If it doesn't, force close the YouTube app or reload the browser tab, then try again. Sometimes cached state keeps background audio active. Make sure your system volume and any browser extensions aren't overriding YouTube, and check device audio focus settings, which allow apps to play in background. If problems continue, clearing app cache or restarting the device typically resolves lingering audio issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.